Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete all messages on Instagram at once. So first of all, open Instagram account. Now I'm showing here two easy method step by step, so follow my whole process carefully. Click onto message icon. But here is no option to all select. So first of all, you need to just tap on the three line, go to settings and privacy, scroll down, account type and tools, switch to professional account. First time you need to switch your professional account. Okay, now successfully convert to professional account. So tap onto message icon again, and now shown here this option, click on this and now select all. So finally tap on to delete. So that's how we can easily delete all messages on Instagram at once. So this is the on and only way to do this. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.